Today we are going to use the Hex Banding Tool to install CV clamps on a fast boot. A Hex Banding Tool is typically included with every fast boot kit, and when used with the installer's ratchet, it can be an effective way to install CV clamps. First, make sure the fast boot is properly seated on the CV joint. Then, loop the clamp tail through the buckle and position the clamp in place. Use the ridges molded into the fast boot as the guide. Pull the clamp tail tight and bend the clamp to hold the clamp in place. Trim the clamp tail to approximately 2.5 inches. Thread the clamp tail through the slot in the hex tool. Using the ratchet, it is important to wind the clamp down and under until the clamp is properly tensioned. A properly tensioned clamp is tight enough so the boot will not turn on the joint, but not so tight that the clamp cuts into the rubber. After the clamp is properly tensioned, twist the ratchet to the side to put a kink in the clamp. This kink will hold the clamp tension through the next steps. Reverse the ratchet to uncurl the clamp. Bend the clamp back over the buckle and trim to approximately 3/4 of an inch. Use a hammer to pound the clamp down over the buckle. Then use a plier and/or a hammer to bend the buckle tabs over the clamp, locking the clamp in place. Install the small end clamp in the same fashion. Using a ratchet extension may be easier in some situations. Additional information can be found at norrecind.com.